Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is another day and another chance for us to learn something. Today my daughter Ruffa May will be joining us in doing some farm animal signs. She and I will be showing you how to sign farm animals. But before that, I would like to say thank you for everyone. Thank you for all the subscribers. Thank you for all your likes and thank you for watching on our videos and thank you for um, learning ASL with me. Thank you for all your support as well as to my family back home in the Philippines. Hello. And hope you will continue to support us and hope you will continue to join us. Okay, so as we start, I would like to call on Ruffa May. Ruffa May would be R and then. Okay, so today we're learning about farm animals. So first thing we're gonna do, say hi. Say, you want to say hi to them, Ruffa May? Hi. Say hi. Okay. So first thing we have to learn how to say farm and animals in ASL. So we start with farm. When we say farm, we'll hold our non-dominant, our dominant hand, put on the other side of our cheek, and then we'll trace it like going to the dominant side. We say farm, or others say farm, farm. Tracing our cheekbone going down. Say farm. Say it for me. You say the tongue, and then farm. Okay. All right. So next is the word animal. If you say animal, say our both hands, both dominant and non-dominant, and using our fingertip, we'll put it on our chest, on the upper part of our chest, and we'll just flap it inside and out 2 times. Animals. Can you do that for me? Animals. Yay, animals. Okay, so we'll start with the dog. That's the most popular. So Ruffa May, dog. For dog, our dominant hand will just tap on our legs, on the side of our legs, one, and then put it up, and then like snap the finger. Okay, or some others do like just snap twice. Dog, dog, or dog, dog. Okay, so next is cat. Cat. If you say cat, our dominant hand, like we'll trace our palm open, and then the index finger and the thumb will trace the whisker like the whisker of the cat. 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 That's a cat. Cat. For me, cat. Okay. And next one would be cow. So how should we sign the cow? Cow, our palm, and we'll do the shape of a Y, shape Y in ASL, and then we'll put it on our head, like tracing the horn of a cow. We'll trace it twice like that. Cow. Cow. There you go, for me. Very good. Okay. And next one would be horse. So in horse, we'll do the number 3 shape or number 3 sign, and then we'll put it that way again on the same where we put our fingers on the sign cow. Say horse. Horse. Look at that, my horse. Okay, so horse. And the next one is pig. When we say pig, our dominant hand will open it up and then put it under our chin, and I'll say pig. Pig. Look at her for me. So pig. Pig. Okay. And the next one would be chicken. How do we sign chicken? Okay, so in chicken, our non-dominant hand and our dominant hand, like, yeah, that's right, for me. Like the chicken is picking food on the ground, we'll do chicken. Chicken. Okay, chicken. All right. And the next one will be sheep. How do we sign sheep? So our dominant hand, or yeah, our non-dominant hand, and then our dominant hand, like we'll do, or like we're shearing a sheep. Are you doing it, Ruffa May? Yeah. Make it higher a little bit. Yeah. There you go. Sheep. Sheep. Like this. Sheep. There you go. Sheep. Okay. And one more word there is like the bird. I know in the farm there's a lot of bird, right? Bird. And just to sign the bird, we'll make a sign of the beak like that. Bird. On our lips. We'll say bird. Bird. And one more thing is like if we have a pet, like the fish. Fish is like we're just doing that. Fish. That's the most popular one that Ruffa May would like to use. Fish. Okay, and one more is the goat. Whoever saw a goat. In goat, we'll do like our number 2 sign, and then do it like that. Put on our chin, and then we'll move it up like that. Goat. Goat. Ruffa is so happy. Goat. Okay. All right. I think that's what we can learn for today. And to just wrap it up, we'll just do one more time quickly. Dog. Okay, or dog. Cat. Yes, that's cat. Cow. Horse. Pig. Chicken. Sheep. Bird. And fish. The fish is swimming, like fish swimming in the river. Fish. Okay, guys, thank you for joining us today, and thank you for being with us. And I hope you like our video, and I hope you learned something today. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and like our video. Thank you, and hope to see you on our next video. Bye bye.